Welcome back to Cash Current. Today, we're diving into some effective day trading strategies that can help you navigate the markets more confidently. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, these strategies are designed to improve your chances of success. Understanding the basics. Before we dive into specific strategies, let's quickly recap what day trading is and why it's important to have a strategy in place. Day trading involves buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day to capitalize on small price movements. Strategy 1. Scalping. One of the most popular day trading strategies is scalping. This involves making dozens or even hundreds of trades in a single day, aiming to profit from small price movements. Scalpers often focus on highly liquid stocks or currencies with tight spreads. Entry points and exit criteria. Managing risk with tight stop-loss orders. Example of a successful scalp trade. Strategy 2. Momentum trading. Momentum trading involves identifying stocks or other assets that are moving significantly in one direction with high volume. Traders jump in to ride the momentum, aiming to exit before a reversal occurs. Identifying momentum using technical indicators, e.g., MACD, RSI. Setting profit targets and trailing stops. Case study of a momentum trade. Strategy 3. Breakout trading. Breakout trading involves identifying key levels of support and resistance. When a stock price breaks above resistance or below support on high volume, traders see it as a breakout opportunity. Identifying breakout levels using charts. Confirmation with volume and other indicators. Example of a breakout trade. Risk management. No matter which strategy you choose, effective risk management is crucial. Always use stop-loss orders to protect your capital and consider your risk-reward ratio before entering a trade. Setting appropriate stop-loss levels. Position sizing based on risk tolerance. Importance of journaling trades for analysis. Conclusion. Today, we covered 3 powerful day trading strategies: scalping, momentum trading, and breakout trading. Remember, success in day trading requires discipline, practice, and a solid understanding of the markets. Start small, stick to your strategy, and always prioritize risk management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more trading tips and strategies. See you next time.